Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. Today I want to show you how I make my chocolate cupcakes. It's holiday season, holiday cupcake. Let me take you to the ingredient. We're gonna need some. This bowl I have a mixture of all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, pinch of salt, baking soda, baking powder, buttermilk, egg, granulated sugar, vegetable oil, and this is instant coffee. This is just 1 teaspoon of instant coffee dissolved in about 2 tablespoons of water, like boiling hot water, so just the coffee can dissolve. And put that away. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my spatula and I'm gonna mix all of these. You can definitely sieve them all, but I'm just gonna mix them quickly, just like that. And we're just gonna leave this on the side for now, and I'm gonna start making my wet butter. I'm using a electric hand mixer. This can be done just with a wooden spoon in a bowl, no fancy item needed. So to my bowl I'm gonna add my vegetable oil, my egg. I'm gonna add all of them at once. Just beat. Sugar. The coffee. It's been 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna add the mixture in 3 batches. This is very quick and easy. Okay, I have already added my 3rd batch. And now the buttermilk. Now you can buy your buttermilk, and if you don't want to buy, or you can find it in the store, just take your milk, and this is like 250 ml or 1 cup of milk. Just add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, stir, and just leave it alone 5-10 minutes. It will turn into buttermilk just like that. So this is very simple and it's good to do it at home. And here is your buttermilk. And buttermilk will make the cupcake very moist. Now we're gonna mix this, not for too long, just until combined. Okay, so take a spatula and then mix everything once, get the edges around the bowl and everything. This is a little bit liquidy, like I always do my cupcake with ice cream scoop. This one is not gonna happen because it's too liquidy. Now I have my cupcake liners. I have already set them on my muffin tray, and you're just gonna drop the butter just like that. Okay, do not fill it to the top. Alright, so this is going to go in my oven, preheated 375. Let this bake. We're gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna show you the ingredient for the frosting. We are making chocolate buttercream frosting, so stay tuned. Okay guys, all my cupcakes are ready and they're cooled down completely. You want to make sure your cupcakes are cooled down completely before frosting. Piping bag ready with kind of a star shape. I'm using this. You can do any design you want. So this is the star design. over here, this is heavy cream and this is chocolate chips. I have already warmed this heavy cream. You can use milk if you don't want to use heavy cream, but you have to make sure that you're using like a thicker milk, like full fat milk for the frosting. I'm gonna add the milk to the chocolate, the cream. Okay, just leave it like that for like 2-3 minutes until the chocolate melt. Okay guys, so now you're just gonna take a spoon and just stir it. Now you can see the chocolate has been melted with the heavy cream. Set this on a side. And again, I'm using electric hand mixer. And now we're gonna mix. This is powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and unsalted butter softened at room temperature. Now we're gonna mix this carefully so the powdered sugar doesn't goes everywhere and make mess. Now add your chocolate, melted chocolate. Okay, and now we're gonna mix this. Okay, that's enough. It's been 5 minutes since I was mixing the buttercream. Now you guys can see it is smooth, creamy, and delicious. Okay, now we're gonna fill this bag just with a spoon. What you can do is, I should do that before, just flip the bag just like that, and that way it is easy to fill it. Okay guys, now we're just gonna start. I'm gonna start from the edges. And just use any design you want. Okay guys, now I'm done frosting. Now I'm gonna just shave some chocolate. Optional, you can just leave it, but adding the chocolate shaving is not gonna hurt. It's gonna be even more delicious. And then optional, if you want to, just some chocolate. We're just gonna add some additional flavor, additional chocolate on top, and that is really depend on you. I'm not gonna add the chocolate to all of them. The chocolate one gonna be for me and whoever doesn't like chocolate or extra texture, extra sweetness, extra chocolatey, then the one that has no chocolate is gonna be for them. But I already know mine gonna be the chocolate one. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Written ingredient will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.